am M.SRINU. I am from Prakasham, Andhra Pradesh. I completed my B.TECH in the stream of Electronic Communication Engineering in 2024. After I joining Jspiders in May 28, 2024. In there I am taking full stack Java course. In full stack Java course, trainers teach very well, and core Java, their UXR and Kaushik sir teaching very well, and advanced Java Ravi sir will teaching very well, and in web technology Ningara sir and Geeta ma'am, Reshma ma'am teaching. After completing and getting interview, I am try to attending interviews. In their interviews, I am through going to interviews, mock sessions and grooming sessions are helped me, and HRs are adding in interviews and they are talking very well to communicate in natural and friendly way. And in company name is Nexel Technology and role is associated AI engineer in the package of 2.4 LPA. In technical skills is Java and React, overall full stack. Thank you for